What is up, y'all, and welcome back to Qui Nichelle on the channel. Y'all know we talk about fashion, beauty, and life. And y'all, it is late, as I don't know what, in the morning. It is 11, almost 11:30. And I'm just now getting out of the bed and about to eat. So, I'm eating leftovers, cabbage and carrots, and 2 hot dogs, and I got me some water. So that's my breakfast. Oh, before we get into the video, make sure you do like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend about Qui Nichelle, because y'all know how we do on the channel. But that is my breakfast. I'm in between whether I'm gonna work out or not. Today is Sunday, I think the 3rd. I don't know if I'm gonna work out today, but if I feel good, I will. And of course, y'all will see it. But I will see y'all later on in the day. Okay, y'all, so it's vitamins again. And y'all, I went ahead and got a tablespoon, because that 2 doses of this, I just need to take it in one walk. And I'm gonna take it first today. I don't have time, y'all. So I'm just gonna take 1 big tablespoon. I'm chasing it with juice today. And yeah, I recommend to chase it with juice, because it's not as bad. I mean, it's still nasty, but it's not as bad. And then I have, what is paper? Okay. Yeah, I got this app keep popping up while I'm recording. But I got some paper, because y'all know I'm going to take my turmeric out of these little plastic capsules. And y'all, turmeric is another one that's, it's nasty if you got to taste it. Now, if you don't care about swallowing the little plastic capsule, then you don't even have to taste it. But me, I just feel so weird. And I just dropped one of my vitamins. Hold on, y'all. Okay, so now we have, and I found my B12 pills, I think it is, because I got the liquid and the pills in B12, and this is a B6 and a B12. I don't know which one is which, because they both white. One of them is a little, like, a different color, but anyway, this is the B6 and the B12. Okay. My oil of oregano. And then my turmeric. Okay, so that's the vitamins I'm taking today. And y'all, let me tell y'all a fun fact. Well, I don't know about how fun it is, but it's a fact. I just learned to swallow pills when I was about 20-something. Yeah, for the longest time, I just had like a choking kind of feel. So that's why I had to drink more than like normal when I take pills and stuff, because I still ain't just no pro. Now, I could take more than one at a time now. But like, I know people that can take 5-6 pills and drink a little sip of water, and you know, I'm not at their level. So I do pretty good. But I just learned to swallow pills like in my 20s, y'all. But anyway, I just wanted to let y'all know that. But I'll be back in a little while. Okay, y'all, so today has been a very, very short, well, a short video, not a short day, because I had to go to Walmart, and y'all would have seen me doing the grocery haul. But anyway, it is dinner time, y'all. It is almost 8 o'clock. It's 7, well, it's like 7:32, not almost 8 o'clock, but anyway, I made myself some chicken breast. I don't know if y'all can see it in there, but I made some like spinach Alfredo sauce. So I'm just eating like chicken breast strips and the spinach Alfredo sauce. Of course, I made my own Alfredo sauce. And then I'm drinking pink lemonade, which is 0 sugar, which you would have seen in the grocery haul as well. So that's really my dinner. I didn't eat nothing for lunch. Y'all, I think when I get up early in the mornings, because y'all know baby leave early, I always wake up when he get out the bed. And then I end up staying up for a little while and then falling back asleep and then getting back up. So that's why I'm always eating at like 9 and 10 and 11 in the morning. So I did that. I don't even remember what else I did earlier, but I definitely went to the grocery store, took a shower. And then I came home, I cooked baby's food. Baby ate filet mignon and broccoli and cheese, and then I made this for me. Yeah, that's really it. So this video is not gonna be real long. I highly doubt I'm gonna work out after I eat. I don't feel like I want to work out, so I highly doubt that I will. So I'm about to do some scratch offs that baby bought me earlier and eat. So if I decide to work out, which is so random after I have eaten dinner, but if I decide to walk for a little while, I'll put it in the video. If not, y'all know that it wasn't in the cards for me today. But y'all, today has really been kind of simple. Make sure that you do check out all of my other videos on the channel. Thank y'all for the support on my journey. Make sure you do like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, never forget to tell a friend about Qui Nichelle, honey, because y'all know how we do on the channel. Now, y'all already know, honey, we are